Roger, this is Tango Charlie 02, Newfoundland, Canada. We are in western Newfoundland, Canada here, a town called St. George's, and the personal here is Andy.
First person will be Keith on this end. Kilo Echo India Tango Hotel there, Andy. Glad to meet your acquaintance, sir. I've been looking for some contacts at Canada. We used to talk to you guys a lot here 4 or 5 years ago. Hola.
Roger, Keith. Yeah, we certainly do have a fair amount of condition down on 38 and around there with regard to stateside skip. We've been getting a bit of the UK as well. And yeah, we just popped up here to see if we can get a little bit more of a quiet conversation on the go.
Well, Andy, anytime we got conditions, it's been a pleasure on this end to make your acquaintance once again. We curious why most of the time the 575 lower side land we talk to about every night. We talked to Tom up there around you guys, talked to several of you guys up in there over the years, and like I said, 575 lower side man every night about it. So if we got conditions, it'd be a great pleasure, Andy, if you stop by and say hello.
Certainly we'll keep that in mind, and I'll mark that in the log for sure. I appreciate that information, Keith. Yeah, there's several frequencies that you can run through if you do have condition, and you do hear people having some nice, decent, long, and in-depth conversations, which is very interesting to me.
Okay, Andy, before conditions change, sir, I hope everything goes well for you up there, for you and yours, for me and mine. Hope the holidays does you well, you enjoy them. All best wishes, 73's, Keith, 43 down here in Tennessee, sir. Thank you.
Roger, Keith, Tennessee, 43 Tennessee. Before you go, sir, and I hope the conditions are going to stick around long enough for this conversation, I am doing a VideoGate, CB Radio VideoGate, and with your permission, I'd like to upload it to YouTube.
That'd be fine, Andy. Be fine with me. Go ahead and do whatever you need to do. As long as it's a great thing I think it's a great thing for each and every one of us to do. And like I say, once again, it's great to meet your acquaintance. Hope we do it again soon, sir. So do your thing here, Mr. Andy. That's 73 once again.
Roger, Keith, 43 Tennessee. The YouTube coordinates, in case you're interested, the YouTube coordinates, if you want to look at the VideoGate later, it's under the name Andy Tobin. I say that again, Andy Tobin. Last name, Tango Oscar Bravo, India November. Thank you for participating in the VideoGate, sir. Appreciate your time, and hopefully we'll have this contact again in the near future, and I'll be dropping by this frequency and listening in, and I'll poke my nose in if I get brave enough.
Andy, by the way, before they change it completely, man, you got a great sounding station. Don't know what your rig is, but it's a great sounding station. I'm just running on a 2950 mobile right here myself. Antron antenna. So, Andy, great sounding station, great QSO. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Keith. Just last over here, and I'll be on my way to put up the VideoGate. My working conditions is a Snake Radio Customs Cobra 2000 radio and a Mantron 99, just 15 feet at the base. Thanks for the conversation, Keith. Off to upload the VideoGate.